What is up, everyone? We are officially back from Florida as of like 2 days ago. We missed Valentine's Day. Tone, you have a good Valentine's Day? Where you at? You have a good Valentine's Day?
What's that?
As you guys know, we always do a holiday sticker, and of course we did one for Valentine's Day 2022. If you guys missed it, hop below, shop to me. We only have a couple of them. We couldn't miss this holiday, but since we are officially back in CT, I'm getting a lot of comments about updates because there's been a lot of stuff we haven't talked about in a long time. We did a lot of scurrying around before we left to Florida because we were super behind. And so now we're going to do a video today kind of giving an update on everything.
Shop update.
Shop update, car update. Try to update as much as I can. It's going to be a lot of talking, but I feel like this is the best time to do this video to start the weekend, start our fresh journey back here in CT. No. So you're going to flood the thing.
It needs water.
Stevie?
What's up, man?
We're going to start the week off with a shop and, I guess, general update.
We're back in the building. We're back from Florida, and we're back to work. We got exciting stuff coming for you guys all week, all month, all year, all life.
All right, so as you guys know, we moved into a new merch bay, like literally right before we left. Like we moved in here, we did a drop, and then we left for Florida. So we left RJ behind. So he was here by himself for like a week and got settled in pretty good.
Yeah.
But then he also took a trip to California.
It was great.
You have a good time?
I had a wonderful time.
You feeling refreshed?
Yeah.
Good, now let's get to work.
Oh, I've been to work.
So RJ's got his corner set up. He's got his Hot Wheels up in the corner. And dude, I feel like we've been here for like 3 days because it feels like we actually only been here for 3 days. So the merch bay right now is so empty because we did a drop right before we left and you guys killed it. I mean, I think we sold out almost everything.
Yeah, literally almost everything.
Which is amazing. I mean, we didn't do that crazy big of a drop. We were trying to keep them a little more limited. But thanks to you guys, it was fantastic. So obviously merch bay, as you guys saw, originally is staying the merch area, right? We have this like room that we still haven't really figured out what to do with. It's more just kind of like overflow at this part, but we did figure out we're gonna be putting the door that links the two shops right here. It's like the only thing that makes sense. So right here we're gonna have a door so we can get into my bay and we could not have to walk all the way around in the cold, which would be really cool. So hopefully next week we can put a door. Ow, that's a stud. Okay, right there. That was dumb. So we still gotta clean all this stuff up. I don't know. Can we use that airline for something?
It's a good airline. We'll just
It's a good airline. We'll just take it.
Yeah.
So, Steve,
What's up?
let's give an update on your office. They've seen I don't know how much they saw all of it. So we're trying to turn this obviously into the Talk to Me Nice Studios, Stevie's workspace, kind of all of the above, right? So we got a full green screen on that wall. I don't know if they saw that. We got a table for the up and coming podcast, and we have all that stuff ordered. So it should be here next week.
It'll be here next week. It's coming.
So we're gonna get the Talk to Me Nice Studios podcast, or just the Oaks Garage podcast, up and going ASAP because I think we're all really excited for it.
Yeah, I'm ready to talk that shit.
So,
That shit.
also he's got a TV. I think they saw the TV.
Have they
Yeah,
seen the TV?
TV.
I watch cartoons in here and eat breakfast in the morning.
Oh yeah, it's a good vibe.
I'm glad to have you though. Everybody is welcome in here. All the buddy. I want
Also-
you guys to come help us out. Come hang with me more.
This is also the warmest room
It is
in both
the warmest
shops.
room.
So
Interesting.
we'll be chilling in here. So besides that, the little kitchen is looking awesome. We got snacks everywhere.
Fridge.
I drilled a hole in
Sink.
the counter so we can put the appliances on there.
Yep.
I see what you did there.
RJ's a big air fryer guy. Are you a big air? I feel like
If you're not a big air fryer guy, what are you doing?
Yeah, it's this generation's crock pot.
as you guys know, we have the back room right here that we haven't figured out just yet. I might put a bunk bed in here, and then, no, I'm kidding. But
We might lock Donnie in here
we'll
and
just, when he's being a pain in the ass, we'll just lock DJ
We gotta
in
do
here.
something wavy with this room.
We gotta do something cool with it. We're gonna leave it open in the meantime until we can figure it out. Yeah.
Somebody said engine building room to me.
See, that would be cool, but we don't build enough engines to
But
want
you
to.
do take them apart and leave them apart for
That's true, but it's
Yeah.
like
clean space for it.
it is true, but it's like, do you want to designate this prime real estate just for? But it is a great idea. I do see them for that, so we'll come up with something.
I think whatever we do come up with, it should be like a earner. Like whatever
For
goes in this
sure.
room should make us some more bread.
For
We
sure.
just keep a car in there.
Imagine, like just for no reason.
That's
You
what we
think
want.
we can get a car from like here to here? Maybe a cave
Maybe
vehicle.
some shells.
Yeah, we could
Come
do
We can put
something.
the cherry carry in here.
That's it. Just
That's it.
Hibernated.
Or we put the red Z in there and just
That's it. Just
That's it.
lock it.
no, we'll put a glass
Anytime
door.
you get a new car and you're gonna reveal it, it gets revealed from in here.
Yeah, from in this. We'll see. And then obviously we have the overflow of the packing stuff, and this kind of works for that.
Yeah.
And then we have the garage bay, right?
Can we talk
So
about the bathroom real quick?
The bathroom.
I just want. in this group consensus here, has anybody else felt that the toilet is too small?
Yeah,
Yeah.
my stuff be hitting the water sometime.
My ass not fitting on that seat.
So the garage bay, as we talked about in, I think, the initial reveal, we talked about connecting my garage bay with this garage bay so we could use this for overflow storage, right? So we got a quote, and we're getting a garage door installed, like right here.
Somewhere around there.
So it's a little weird because the lift is right there, but we can still get cars in and out. It's not really meant to have cars constantly coming in and out, so I'm not too worried about it being inconvenienced by the lift, you know? So we're getting a door right here, and then I don't want to clutter this place up, but I'd rather have this place more cluttered since it's not a working environment and leave the working environment less cluttered, right? That makes sense. Besides that, I mean, we got an extra table. We could just turn this whole thing into a skate park. We got enough room, like a big...
I'm telling you, dude. Put the 4-foot quarter, we'll get a box, and a front wall. That's all we need.
Let's see if I got this. Let's see if I got this.
Jimmy's too good at everything for no reason.
Let's get him off that thing before he hurts himself.
I didn't think I had it in me.
We'll have videos for weeks.
No, I can't do that. I'm not doing that. I'm leaving off on a high note.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was a banger clip right there. Appreciate that.
All right, so we got a lot of stuff planned for here, but we're still trying to get situated. We got a lot of cleaning up to do and a lot of stuff to buy and a lot of stuff to move around. But for now, any suggestions, leave us in the comments. Let us know what you guys think, how we should potentially use this space. A loft.
I think from right here over.
Okay, we'll put that on the list. Lumber's still expensive.
Yeah.
I like the quarter pipe idea. That sounds sick. But as you guys know, space always fills up quick, but we'll have some fun with it, and we'll get this thing ready for the spring.
Half-court basketball court?
I think we do need a basketball hoop in here.
Just a hoop at least.
A ball?
Yeah.
Let's go walk next door and do some talking about the cars. Check out the Valentine's 2022 sticker. Love it. Classy, you know? Works all year round. Don't miss out. Collect them all.
Gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all. Okay, mom.
Yep, convenient parking. That is fun.
So we found out the little room here that we still can't figure out use for. It fits 1K vehicle. Actually, you could probably fit 2K vehicles if you put them.
Very snug. But leave in the comments what that room should be used for. Ball pit, trampoline, rock climbing. There's lots of options.
Bunk bed for Tony.
Can we get a hot tub?
That would be kind of...
Imagine, dude, I don't even hate that idea.
Come on, that would be sick. In the hot tub, door open. Let's do it.
Just imagine. Okay,
Let's do it.
First off, there's a hot tub facility. There's a hot tub salesman next door. So
Yes.
we
Yes.
Okay. And just get just a picture like
Hot tub.
right.
Hot tub.
This we're in a very nice business facility here. Imagine just pulling up and there's just 4 dudes in a hot tub like.
Poor dude chilling in a hot tub.
You'll see yourself. You catch me here late night with the lady.
I hate how like plausible of an idea that actually is. I find it so funny because it's like not a horrible idea.
I follow with it. Leave down in the comments below if we should put a hot tub in there.
Just imagine opening the door and there's a fucking hot tub.
I love it.
We should do the podcast in the hot tub.
The Hot Tub Podcast. We're on to something. It's marketing. We write it off at the end of the year as promo.
Tony, what do you think?
Not a bad idea.
I wish like a full-size car could fit in here, because like imagine if you just put like a 2-post in here, boom boom, free storage. I'll come up with something. Let me know what you guys think. It's such an awkward room. It was like the shipping and receiving area for the previous business, since it would kind of they'd lock the doors and they'd get shipments like overnight. That's why this whole thing is here. So, whatever, back to it. All right, so when we left the shop, we kind of left this whole entire thing in shambles because we were in such a rush for Florida. And me and Tony spent the last like day and a half doing nothing but cleaning. We still got a lot to do, I'll tell you that. But I wish I was, so I'm not gonna lie to you, I wish I was more prepared for the projects that we currently have. We're still waiting on a decent amount of parts. So the big thing right now is the Chaser. I want to talk about that because this is a project I'm probably most stoked on right now is the Chaser build. As you guys know, we're putting the 1J in my GSX 100, trying to turn it into, you know, a Tourer V essentially. And especially playing with Adams all week, I really want to get mine together. So last thing, big thing we're waiting for to get the engine is the transmission. We talked about it in Florida. It's currently on a pallet on the way up here because I bought a new one in Florida. And once that shows up, engine in, and then we could start all the other
Little things.
a lot of little things it takes to actually get an engine to operate in a chassis, right? Ordered a kit for it. I mean, I'm excited. So that one, nothing too crazy, just waiting for the trans, and it's downhill or uphill from there.
Hopefully not downhill.
Hopefully not downhill, right? It depends how you look at it. So, and I don't know if I go by every car individually, because you guys know that the 33 is good, the E30's sick. I just want side skirts.
That thing started right up today.
Oh, that thing's sick. The drivability of that car doesn't make sense
No.
with the ITVs. It's how good is that car?
Great.
It just needs side skirts. That's the only thing I want for that car all year is side skirts, and maybe
Right,
like
right.
the rear end correction, and maybe the fuel system.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Little things.
Pewter car, pewter S15. I just need to find someone I could just give that to paint,
Yeah.
right? Realistically, because we all know what color I'm going to paint that thing. We just got to, Spoon don't paint no more.
He'll paint for you.
He'll paint for Jimmy. Yeah.
If we call him out, Spoon, will you
Spoon.
paint this car for me?
That'd be hard.
He'll paint for Jimmy.
No, but if I'm going to get Spoon to paint a car, he's going to do the Nisanda.
Yeah.
Spoon, let me know when you're ready. I'm trying to give you a car and money.
He's not gonna paint it unless you get a body
I thought
kit
he was
for it.
gonna paint the.
Spoon's gonna paint the 8.6. That's what we're getting at. That comes top priority right now.
Yeah.
As you guys, the 8.6, we haven't talked about it in a couple weeks. As you guys know, we're doing a K-Series 8.6. I have to go pick up the built head in Massachusetts this week. Everything else came in, put the engine together. Trans is in Bridgeport. Yeah, parts are everywhere for this thing. All my buddies are whatever. And Ratty finished the cage, and it
Killed
looks
it.
so freaking cool. So this week we'll probably go pick up the 8.6.
Yeah.
And then
The treasure.
down uphill from there.
He painted the cage too.
Yeah, he did, which is awesome.
Did you
So-
ask him to do that? Or he
No,
just did that?
sick.
It looks good, Roddy. Keep up the good work.
Let's talk about Brian's car, because I saw a lot of questions about this in the previous couple videos. So we did give updates about this car throughout, but if you guys obviously missed a video too, you might have missed the update. So as you can see, it's sitting pretty torn apart. He decided to
Rip his interior out.
oh, it looks absolutely insane right now, but it's good. All uphill from here. So as you guys know, the LS is the big thing right now. We put the motor in last season, it blew up, and thanks to you guys, we were able to build a really gangster engine. And for the longest time, we were waiting on, I think it was rods.
Main bearings?
Main bearings and rods. I think
Yes.
it took months to come in. They finally came in. Engine was basically assembled, and we realized that Brian realized that he wanted to sleeve the block.
He did the while you're in there thing.
He did the while you're in
While
there
you're in there, it kept going.
got real
Yep.
toxic, but it's going to be a really cool engine, and it's so close to being done. And once the engine's here, it'll go back in quick, because most of the other swap stuff, as you know, was kind of figured out. I think the engine will be done in just maybe 2 weeks.
Few weeks. Yeah.
I hate to give like a deadline, but it's going to happen. Don't you worry. And one of the last big things that we touched before we left for Florida is the E36, right? We cut it up for over fenders, we test fitted the new kit, and we left for Florida. I just need a day with Brian now to actually rivet the kit on so I can start getting the fitment right, the tires right, and get this thing fully operating. And, well, as we say, what, Steve?
Exciting stuff.
Yeah. Had the kit painted for the Black Z for like 2 months now. Unfortunately, RJ and our buddy Sean has just been so busy, hasn't been able to get to the Black Z, but hopefully that thing gets buffed ASAP so we can actually get the new kit on. Because I've been staring at these and I want to see them on the Black Z so bad. But
If you crack my back, I can do it.
yeah, is that
I'm having back issues.
Hey, yo.
Man's is this.
I'll just send you to a chiropractor, okay?
Please.
But besides that, there's probably other stuff I'm forgetting. We have the cherry catch we haven't talked about in forever. I ordered a kit for that thing. Hopefully it shows up one day.
And there's
And
the car underneath it.
we don't talk about that car, RJ.
It can go in that room over there.
Right.
It's not a car. It's not like it's turning.
It's nothing even special.
I
like-
checked it the other day, and I've had that car.
It's nothing even special. It's right.
It is it. But the funny thing is, I've had that car for over a year now, which is crazy.
We haven't done one thing.
I haven't-
That car,
no.
I came in one day, it was snowing outside, and I went, oh, Jimmy must be tuning somebody's car. And he goes, oh, we gotta bring my new car inside. And I went,
Huh.
what?
It's not even cool, but I just haven't had like when do I just say, oh hey, here's a new car? It just
I mean,
haven't.
it's not cool. Of course it's cool.
It's cool, but like
It's cool,
I
but,
haven't
like-
had the moment of just saying, hey, here's a new car, and like the last couple months, if I shown it at any moment, you guys been like, oh my god, you're going crazy. I am
Yeah.
going crazy. It's okay. This
So
is
just
crazy.
know it's been here.
Lunatic.
It's
They knew.
If they knew, oh man. The amount of surprises I came into at work those couple months.
This one.
everything's great. The Kooky, there's definitely a couple small things I want to do to it this season, but besides this car has been so good to me. I think the only other thing I'd like to do is maybe put on ethanol and turn the boost up.
That sounds fun.
Right? I know you're into it. So, I know you guys have been asking. As you guys know, we have an S13 Sylvia up here, and as you guys know, this is T-Bone's car.
Mm-hmm.
So, you want to talk about it? Give them the update on this thing?
Quick overview.
Yep.
So the suspension got a full overhaul on it.
Yeah, you did the whole rear end, huh?
Yeah, the whole.
But he refreshed it all. He's got new bushings everywhere, making the car look and feel brand new.
Bushings, everything. so
Because you
good.
basically dailied this car.
Yeah, it's good.
So you want it to be tight.
You gotta daily them.
You gotta. What are you trying to say?
None.
So this is coming out super nice. This car is a really, really nice. Oh, mother. It's just a really, really nice car.
Really nice car.
It's still a 90s car, dude. It's gonna have some flaws.
Well, we could fix it.
Bolt check. These are finger tight still. New bushing.
Where'd you steal these? Were these in my office, Tony?
Maybe.
You might have said I can have them one day, and then you might have forgot.
He knows how to swindle me.
Finger tight.
And boom. All right, check it out. If you guys didn't know, of course, this has an SR in it because
SR is good.
SR is good. So as you guys can see, there's no turbo on this thing. So,
Was.
and Ant had this great idea, right? He goes, my car feels great. Good power band, makes great power. Sounds
right.
awesome.
First off,
Yeah.
the car did feel great.
Awesome.
The power was good for a stock motor, like it would last forever. Mm-hmm. But exhaust leaks, manifold cracked,
Yep.
downpipe broke.
Mm-hmm.
Was not fixing that.
Nope.
I was tired of all of that 4-bolt.
And you can't just
T2
replace. You
things,
gotta
no.
upgrade.
Yeah, you gotta upgrade it.
So,
How much we paying this kid?
so leading on to the next thing, Ant really wanted to go top mount, and so we got him the hookup. We got him the new
Artec.
Artec manifold. If you guys know, LZ or Drift HQ
Drift HQ.
is the now dealer for them, and they're stainless cast manifolds, absolutely beautiful.
V-band,
V-band,
top mount,
top mount.
external wastegate.
Love to see it. So we're going to be installing that on his car soon. It's a beautiful piece. Very jealous of it. I'm very excited to see it.
I can't wait.
Going to be switching to a new turbo.
New turbo.
Cannot wait for that. So this thing will get spiced up very shortly, and we're going to film that. And yeah.
This kid's gonna
The
be
best turbo.
reckless. This kid's gonna be reckless.
Yeah, I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
it'll be good.
No, bought a street bike.
Yeah, does
Good.
everybody know about that?
No, I'm
be
not.
good.
I'm
Street
not.
Bike Tony.
No, he's
It'll
gonna
be
get.
good.
Don't you get?
down.
Don't you get hurt?
knows.
Tone gets down.
He gets down. If he gets hurt, though, I'm gonna beat his ass in the hospital
Tony,
bed.
it's required.
You ain't
to
the
wear a
only
helmet
one that's
on a
gonna beat my
motorcycle.
ass.
Me and Big Tone are gonna be in the hospital just
Exactly.
fucking.
Tone's nice on 2 wheels though. I'm not trying to jinx it.
I'm not. I don't
It's
know.
not
how
him.
I'm
It's
gonna-
the other people. Like you
Yeah,
know.
it's the other people.
I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this kid coming down into work, down this road over here. Right? We're just gonna see this. Coming down the road.
I love it.
He's gonna do it.
Don't.
I'll
love
feel.
it,
Maybe I'll feel better
honestly.
once I see him do it, because Tony's really good.
I
on the
trust him.
No, he's nice. I just don't trust other people. We can't be. You know, we got one rule around here, and it's don't mess with Tone. That's it. Look at him.
Don't touch Tone.
Don't touch
And
Tone.
everything is cool.
That's our one rule.
I
So.
can do anything I want.
I feel like obviously there's a million and a half other things I could talk about, but I mean, we talked about the main things that are going on. I probably missed something out. I'd love to hear some feedback from you guys. But well, what's here?
Can you just mention?
What's that?
So I stopped answering 4 to 6 emails a day about this. We don't do dyno tuning.
Okay. We don't.
What? What?
Stevie, you do down here too?
I do dyno tuning. Send them over. What are you talking about? What's he talking about?
All right. But I forgot to mention early on, but we're dropping a Florida recap video on Talk to Me Nice Studios. All the footage that Stevie got on the trip, behind the scenes, some really awesome music on it, and just some really good vibes. So if you guys want to check it out, of course, Talk to Me Nice Studios, link in the description. Subscribe.
Please do.
Please, and watch the video. You guys will really like it. So before the camera dies, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Steve,
Have a good night.